Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day, or maybe you've just started. Have a wonderful day. So before we start the video, please like and subscribe to this channel, like this video. It would mean a lot to me. So let's start. Today we are going to find out how you can remove someone from your Instagram group chat. It is pretty simple. You're just going to open up your chats on the top right corner of your screen. Then you are going to select your group chat. Then you are going to select two of the names on the top of your screen, and then you are going to select the people section here under invite link. So I am the admin, so I created the group chat, so I can remove people from the group chat, but if you're not the admin, I don't think you can. So you're just going to select on the name that you want to remove. Then you're going to select remove group. Here is where you can also add people to the admin. Well, it's how you can add people to become an admin. That's what I'm trying to say. So they can remove people from the group as well. But obviously I'm not going to remove them from my group. But that is how you can remove somebody from your Instagram group chat. It is super simple to do. Again, you have to go to the name on the top of your screen. Then you are going to select the people here, and then you're just going to basically remove. I'm just going to enable require approval to join because I don't want people to join, but that is it for this video. That's how you can basically remove someone from your Instagram group chat. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.